Presenting a pre-owned 2012 Audi A6 2.0T Premium Plus. This four-door sedan has a four-cylinder, 2.0-liter i4 engine, with front-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Audi has less than 72,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 25 miles per gallon in the city, and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include automatic climate control, MP3 player, Sirius satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, cruise control, keyless entry, power steering, universal remote, power sunroof, leather seats, power door locks, stability control, traction control, navigation system, Bluetooth, and power windows.